Okay, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, according to the time you are watching this video. Welcome back. Welcome back to Lebi 254 channel. Yeah, thank you so much. It's beginning of another video. Okay, before we continue with today's video, please like, comment, share. Now please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, asante sana mafans wangu. Thank you so much for the viewers. Yeah. Okay, on today's video, I'm going to talk about baking soda. Mnajua baking soda. Actually, in Swahili, I don't know the name. And there's difference between baking soda and baking powder. So today I'm talking elsewise about baking soda. Okay, bado ndio inaitwa sodium bicarbonate. And so I'm talking about the health benefit of using using baking soda. Number one, ina treat heartburn. Kuna wale unasikia inaitwa mchafuko wa roho ama inaitwa aje? In the comment down there, hebu niambie inaitwa aje, heartburn inaitwa aje kwa Kiswahili? Yeah, mchafuko wa roho, I think so. Ama kuna wenye wanasema kiungulia. Oh my god. I don't know, actually I'm not sure of hiyo mchafuko wa roho. Alafu tena, yeah, by the way, I'm going to explain to you vile unaweza itumia. So you are not supposed to use a large amount, ama in terms of quantity unatumia tu kadogo sana, less than a teaspoon, less than a small spoon. Hii teaspoon ndio unafaa uweke kwa maji baridi, tena unameza kidogo, less than a teaspoon. So it means maybe 2-3 pinches. It's enough to temporarily do away with your heartburn. And number 2, ina improve exercise performance. So hapa kwa ina improve exercise performance, how can I explain this? When you take it, by the way, it is healthy to take it daily. Na vile unafaa uitumie, like let's say in the morning before you take anything, you can also mix it with the lemon, maybe half a lemon, half a teaspoon. Or if you consume the yani quantity ile mingi, a teaspoon daily, yani that is in the morning, you can use 1 teaspoon. Unaitake daily, ukienda hata exercise, by the way, inasaidia sana in controlling cholesterol levels. Inasaidia kulower cholesterol levels because for one, yeah, inasaidia ku lose the cholesterol levels. The doctors, the nurses, the nutritionists watching this, please down there in the comment, you can sema kama ni ukweli, but for me I know the kitu nimeona, and I know it works best for the guys using it. And then so this baking soda mat with the sodium bicarbonate, wengi wanaijua, I don't know how you call it, nini unaweza sikia mtu anasema inaitwa sodium bicarbonate, unasikia inaitwa baking soda, but baking soda I think it is the name yenye watu wengi hutumia sana. So it reduces stomach acids because it's an antacid. Oh my god. Hiyo wakati una treat hiyo heartburn, ina improve indigestion. By the way, ukiwa unasikia tumbo ikiwa upset, you can use it. Yeah. Alafu inasaidia sana kwa acid. Watu wanasemanga kila ukiamka acid, nikiinama nasikia acid. By the way, it's a temporary way of reducing your acid, and try it, then you are going to thank me later. I know it works. Nimejaribu, I know it works. So it temporarily relieves hizo stomach aches, acids. Yeah. And someone may be there asking how to take it daily, maybe for adults, for teenagers. Okay, here is the guideline. Unachukua 1 to 2 teaspoon. That is, sasa nasema yote ina daily, si ati in the morning, maybe during the afternoon, in the evening. No, that is daily dosage for adults and teenagers. And please usitumie kwa watoto. Me, I'm talking about adults. Don't use it for children, or don't use it for children or babies. Unachukua tu kama 2 teaspoons, it's enough for a day. Unaweka kwa maji baridi, then you drink it before ama after meals. Sana after your meals, it works best. Yeah. Alafu, before I continue, please subscribe to my channel, continue liking, continue commenting, continue sharing. I'm much humbled. I thank you for my subscribers. Thank you so much. Alafu kwa viewers, asante sana kwa wale wanaendelea kuview. Thank you so much. Okay, let us continue with our talk. Alafu tena kama unajua zingine, you can even correct me, you can even add yours hapo kwa comment. You're allowed. Unakubalishwa kufanya ama kucomment, kunicorrect. Yeah, I'm much ready to be corrected, to be comment hapo hivyo, unanicorrect, unaniambia, una add zako zingine hapo, and it will be educative. By the way, this is for education purpose, not only entertaining. Inasaidia sana by the way. Alafu tena it is even used as a temporary way of kwa wale watu wako na kidney problems, kidney diseases. So ina slow down your progression, yani ukitumia daily kwa wenye wako na shida ya figo, inasaidia kusimamisha kuendelea na ule ugonjwa wa kidney disease. Yeah, for it is a therapy. It is a number 1 therapy given to patients who got kidney problems. Baking soda, inaitwa sodium bicarbonate. And again, question number 2 people may ask, is it good for your gut? Yeah, it is very, very, very good. Daily though, you should consume it in low amount. That is 1 or 2 teaspoons daily. Yeah, and that is for adults. Please, hiyo ni ya adults. Tumesema usitumie kwa watoto. So baking soda ina protect pia your intestines because it is an antacid. Ni ile kitu inasaidia kustop nini acid. So maybe wenye walisoma sana nilisikia inaitwa ni kitu base. Yeah. Ni base. Kuna wengine wanasema wakionja jivu ndio maybe hiyo acid inashuka. For me today I'm talking about baking soda. So ndio it as in ni kama I'm giving another example of what I'm trying to talk about in my today's video. Pia by the way it is healthy because pia wenye wanapenda cookies inasaidia sana. By the way, those people who prepare cookies watu wa baking nini, they use it. By the way, wenye mnapenda cookies they contain baking soda, hiyo sodium bicarbonate. Yeah. So pia unaweza ichanganya na kitu kama vinegar, unaweza ichanganya na kitu kama lemon. Yeah, ni mzuri pia. That is after meals ama asubuhi before eating anything. Unaweza itumia and thank me later. By the way, there's a friend of mine who have been doing it, mixing it with lemon vinegar. Alikuanga na acid, but when uko na acid, don't use vinegar and lemon. Just use this baking soda. Na pia kwa kubrush meno. Yeah, pia kwa kubrush meno inatumika if you want to whiten your teeth. If you want to whiten your teeth, by the way, use it daily, use a small amount. Usiweke ile ati kijiko mzima juu unataka meno ikuwe white, no. So pia use it and take precautions. Okay, before I end the video, thank you so much for watching my video. Meet next time. So today I wrap up my video. Until next time, and please subscribe. Kama uja subscribe, like, comment and share my content. Thank you so much. I love you all my fans. Yeah, thank you so much. Till next time, bye.